Hi everyone, John Cleese with Lake Effect Garden and Design, and we want to talk to you about some great fall grasses for your garden. These are super, well, they can be pretty super tall. This is Indian grass, which is blooming here, which is really beautiful. It's got, it'll eventually get these little yellow panicles that hang down from this, but this is a gorgeous grass. I know we've showed these before, but we're a little bit later in the season now. This is switchgrass blooms, which have these little like seeds connected to them. They're very wispy, very airy. They don't take up a lot of space in your garden. I just love them. They're one of my favorites. And then we get a lot of requests to talk about big blue stem. This is big blue stem or turkey feet. And if you walk around in the fields and stuff, you can see it looks like it's a turkey's foot. Sometimes they're a little bit more three. You can basically see it. But anyway, that's what they call it, turkey feet. This is a great one. This is probably one of your highest native grasses that you can put in your garden. So there you go. Add them if you like the grasses. Great for fall color. Please like this video. Please subscribe to Lake Effect Garden Design because we want to make native gardening as easy as possible for all of you to get into.